Hello guys, welcome to new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make endless door closing and opening transition like Benn. So let's start the video. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. So open Filmora and import your file. I already import my file. For making this door transition, we need this video. Video download link given in the description below. So add your video into timeline. Now delete extra part and separate door open and door close animation. As you can see, this is close animation and this is open animation. Now select all close animation and drag to in other side so that we can work with open animation. Now drag first open animation in the beginning of the timeline. We will place the second animation below the first animation. So drag first animation in second track and drag second animation below the first animation like this. Then double click on first animation and activate chroma key. Change chroma color to green. Let's see preview. Since there is nothing down here, a black part is visible. To fix this, hide second track and take a snapshot of second animation first part. Then add the snapshot in empty part. Now unhide second track and check preview. So as you can see, now this is perfect. Now apply same process for third animation. Drag this to third track so that we can add third animation below second animation. Now adjust third animation position like previous. Now double click on second animation and activate chroma key features. Change chroma color to green and check preview. Okay, now add video with same process. Drag to upper track and then add video below all animation. Then remove green screen and you're done. Let's take preview. As you can see, there is a black part showing. To fix this, just simply drag video to left side. You can see now this is perfect. Okay, let's work with close animation. Delete extra part of video. Now drag first closing animation above video. double click on this and remove green screen. Let's take preview. Do some little adjustment. Okay, now add second animation above first animation. Double click on this and remove green screen. Adjust position with first animation. Now add third and last animation. Remove green screen and adjust position. Render frame and check preview. Do some little adjustment. Now copy this and paste above this animation part. Add some video track. Now adjust position. Render frame and check our final preview. Now add a background music for better experience. Let's check our final preview. As you can see, our effect is done, so let's export it. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.